Init pa, luto kayo. Sir, dali sir. Oh, ganahan ko na siya dali sir.
I guess they got 3 pigs today and a knuckle. We just got here in Car somewhere where they sell all kinds of lechon. Like they have the lechon section, like you just saw.
Asan ba laman? Gusto mo makalat first.
Saan?
Dali.
Ito mo.
Ay.
Kariyara mi sir. Dito sir.
Yan bang maganda yung leeg?
Oh, ba? Kulang i-chop na pero kulang ng panit.
Wala na panit.
Dugangin ng panit.
Nana dali ng panit. Tara sir, akong gitchap.
We're gonna go up to eat. Look, they got vegetable down there. I guess it's sort of kind of like a wet market. We'll have to go upstairs to eat or something. I'm so excited to eat this lechon. They said this is better from the last one we had. So we'll see. Barber shop over there. Oh, I guess upstairs this is where you eat. You buy your food downstairs, your lechon, and you come up here to eat. Ano yan? Bumili sila ng isa tsaka isa? Tapos ito yung ano? Yung kanin?
Hanging rice.
Hanging.
What are you buying? Kanin?
Drinks.
Kanin?
Kamot lang.
There's already rice there.
Oh, look at all this food.
Ito ba sa kamot? Direct, ano yan?
Oo. Ikiambe hodi. Plato.
How many?
What? Can I order something?
How many?
So this is hanging rice.
This is called hanging rice or in Bisaya they call it puso.
Hindi naman niya biniyak. Ah, biniyak. Ayan.
They call it in Bisaya puso.
This is how we eat with our gloves, baby.
I see that.
Hindi mo, Brian, gano'n. Kasyo mo. Oh, no, Janet, parang hindi sila kay Kenneth Jalo.
Ito here. Try some.
Sir, pili. Nice.
Ah, now I've successfully peeled my rice. Sarap ba? Kenzie?
Sarap.
Nahiya pa siya. So, ano masarap dito sa hanging rice? Malamig eh. Should have a split somewhere. You see a split? Okay. Iyacha lang. Kaya ikaw yak. Meron nga. No, you didn't find the split, baby.
I did find a split.
How you like that rice? Do you like regular rice or you like that rice?
Tastes like rice.
Yeah. I guess because it's not warm. Bago lang ba tong hanging rice? I've never heard of this. So they bought 2 different lechon from different vendor.
I got some.
I think one is saltier than the other. I think I like this one better, the one less salty. So, So we bought 2.5 kilo. 2 3/4 kilo of lechon. And how much yung isang 1,000? That's expensive. Mahal? Mura na yon? Mura na lang yan. Guess I don't know any better.
The best portion of the lechon is on the leg.
It's more what? Because it's tender?
It's tender, more meatier, less
More
fat,
juicy.
and juicy. Look at this. This is the one.
This one is not.
This one is the look. It's dry. This one.
That's saltier though. That's
Yeah,
saltier.
because
They
this is
put soft muscle.
this is on the tummy where they put salt. This one they don't put salt because it's on the neck.
I gotcha. You hear that? The nape is the best part. That one loves cholesterol right there.
There.
Give him rice. Give him rice.
Di eat rice lang. Para buhay.
Wait, give eat rice with that.
Eat rice is the same.
No, eat rice.
If
with
you
that.
have high cholesterol, that's not good either.
once in a while. No, I don't know. Once in a while.
Ngayon lang ako titikim ng lechon.
Hindi ka ba nakakain lechon pa?
Kumain ako nung high school. My classmate.
Here, you wanna try this? So you can just scrape off the fat a little bit. And I like the crunchy lechon, the skin. Comment about the lechon, honey. This is your first lechon.
Some is tough, some is tender, some is crispy.
And
I surrender.
May mabasa.
he just doesn't like the fatty stuff, huh?
I don't eat chunks of fat. It's not healthy.
Ipasok mo na lang to.
Yeah. It's good, but I don't think you'll crave about that. You're not a pork eater.
Babasa me.
Well, I'm not gonna go home and tell Mama about it.
You're done?
I'm done.
Yeah, we're done.
You should. You can
Oh, this, she almost sold out right there. There you go. So, Brian might be the first American who does not really like lechon. I'm not surprised because he doesn't like pork anyway to begin with, and he doesn't like any fatty stuff. The only probably pork he like is bacon, okay, with his eggs and breakfast. So, anyway, if you all enjoyed this video, please subscribe to East West Picayune, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Have you ever tried lechon? Or are you an American who doesn't like lechon? Let me know. This is in Car in Cebu. Till next time. Bye.